Moisture Humidifier provides 99.9% germ-free moisture for dry air relief. Designed for medium-sized rooms, this humidifier helps relieve dry air discomforts like dry throat, chapped lips, and static shock. With this unique humidifier, water passes through a UV system that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the unit's water before being released into the air. 3 fan speeds control moisture output, and the Quiet Care technology makes it ideal for use in a bedroom. For germ-free, temporary relief from dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit Honeywell Plug.